tonight some closure for the victim in this brutal attack here from Felton Square. The 18-year-old who was part of the group that attacked the man from behind back in January faced a judge in court today.
Jaden Shaw pleading guilty. He was sentenced, and WLWT News 5's Brian Hamrick in the courtroom when the attacker and the victim go face to face. And Brian, what did the teenager say?
Well, Mike, he apologized. He said he had remorse for what he did, but the judge wasn't convinced the teen meant any of it after an attack that lasted seconds and ended up leading to hard time. The teenager enters court.
This is the case of Jaden Shaw, B2400389.
To face the judge, his victim, and the 25 seconds that brought him here.
We're talking about a 25-second offense. I went back and watched the tape and timed it last night just to make sure that I had that right.
Jaden Shaw's entire future was derailed by less than a half minute of his past.
I just want to say I'm sorry for what I caused.
What he caused was this. Shaw is one of the group of teens that attacked a man unprovoked from behind. 25 seconds of terror for the victim. Today, that man was in court.
Tell me about your injuries.
Through an interpreter, Aldo Atilanto said he suffered several injuries.
They were hitting me multiple times, and then we was swollen, and it's like a blue, and then my lower teeth were loose.
Shaw addressed the victim for the first time since the attack and read an apology from a statement he wrote.
I am truly sorry for the pain and suffering I have caused you.
After hearing from Shaw's brother and his mother,
my son is not evil.
Judge Alan Triggs gave Shaw the sentence.
I am giving you the maximum time that I can give you.
18 months in prison as Jaden Shaw leaves the courtroom, knowing now how easily 25 seconds can become a year and a half. Yeah, now Shaw pleaded guilty to aggravated riot charges, so 18 months in prison was the maximum he could face. Now, the judge said he would have considered a lesser sentence, but while Shaw was out on bond, he tried to cut off his electronic monitoring unit. Mike, Cherie.